Ah, well, nangyari na ito doon sa Dumaguete. Yung unang incident talaga na hindi medyo may mga actions. I do not know if directly from the local government, but katulad ng nangyari din dito, similar case na nilagyan nila ng mga heavy equipment yung park kung saan supposedly doon kami mag prayer rally. So, nangyari sa Dumaguete, nangyari din dito ngayon sa Tacloban. Nakita naman ng lahat. It seems na, they won't allow us to express ourselves, our sentiments. So,
Sir, follow up. Doon ba sa rally, ano ba yung major na dapat na pahayag natin sa mga taga-Eastern Visayas?
well, ang rally kasi is TAPS. It's for transparency, accountability, peace, and security. So, may mga sentiments kami, like a lot of us from Davao City na gustong makapagsabi kung how we feel about the current situation of the country right now. So, ayun lang naman sana. We can elaborate that kung nandun talaga kami sa, if they would only allow us, and if they would only heed kung ano yung masasabi namin. But, the aim is to express sentiments in order for us to help build this nation. It's not really na may gusto kami pabagsakin o ganon. All we are asking is to hear us out. And they don't even allow that. So, well, kung ganon, para ako as an individual, as a Filipino citizen, right now, I feel oppressed sa ginagawa nila. So, yun. Yan yung It already happened. It happened in Bulacan, in Bustos. Una dyan sana sa Malolos. Then, ni-revoke yung permit. I do not know kung bakit. Tapos sa Bustos, everybody was there, nandyan na. And there were rumors na yung property owner may pumunta daw para pagsabihan na pigilan yung or not to let him use the property for the prayer rally. So, it was rumors, like I do not have any evidence of that, but yun yung nangyari talaga.